The Lumia 830 is Nokia's last mid-range effort before its entire smartphone business was gobbled up and rebranded as Microsoft Lumia. Nevertheless, the handset will be updated to the unifying Windows 10 when it lands later this year, so it is far from irrelevant still. Lumia 830 is hardly a spec'd-out device when it comes to the main mobile components, as it features a lowly Snapdragon 400 chipset, 1GB of RAM, and a 720p display only, but Nokia has thrown in a couple of perks that set it apart not only in the Windows Phone crowd, but also from mainstream Androids. Can a 10MP optically stabilized camera, and Nokia's rich recording with surround sound audio be enough to prevent the Lumia 830 from sinking into oblivion before Windows 10 hits? Let's see. In the box. Nokia AC61.5A wall charger. Nokia charging and data cable. Warranty and information leaflets. A quad-core Snapdragon 400 chipset clocked at 1.2 GHz only is nothing to get excited about in the Lumia 830. This processor is now at the low end of Qualcomm's spectrum, and is coupled with 1 GB of RAM only. Windows Phone doesn't ask for much in terms of processing power, so the interface runs quite smooth, but heavy 3D games might be a chore, not that there are much in the WP App Store. Nokia supplied the handset with 16 GB of internal storage, plus a microSD slot for expansion.